Hey, this is a pinchme.com unboxing. I have gotten a few. This one is a lot smaller than the ones I have gotten in the past. I missed it when the samples first came out, so I only got 2 items. But that's fine, free's free, and I'm not going to complain. Get your own Pinch Me box. I'll leave the link below. This is not a sponsored video or anything. Everyone can participate in this. First is a Muse Purina cat food card explaining the cat food that came in the box. This is the cat food. It is Muse Purina gluten-free cat food. It is looking to be salmon recipe. She'll enjoy that. I put that, since we're taking care of a cat, we have a cat, and she's been getting several items in the past few boxes, so she's been enjoying these. The other is ZzzQuil. It comes with a coupon and 2 capsules. This was a short unboxing. Like this if you enjoyed watching this, and I may start doing more and more unboxings. Enjoy getting these. It's just like a little prize mail, and I get to try new things, and so does the cat and others. Yes, follow the link below if you would like to also get free samples. I'm not sure if it's a US only based. You'll have to figure that out. If you don't want to follow the link, there is the website, pinchme.com. I hope you have a great day, and like this video if you want to see more pinchme.com unboxings. Bye.